Here's my 2003 Boxster, and we're going to look at a small issue, see if we can fix it. But first, so we're looking at the fuel door release. When I lock and unlock it, nothing happens here. So we're going to look at that solenoid. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we got to take the wheel off to have access to the fender well. Okay, first we got to remove the wheel well liner, so we got to look at these attaching points right in here, in here, in here, and underneath. Don't forget this little guy back here. You got to take that one off too. Okay, the wheel well is off, the liner. Now to get to the fuel door actuator, we got to get up in here, way up in here, so this has to come out. Okay, so let's take this off. Now we gotta remove these lines by squeezing, kind of like this connector right here. There we go. Okay, I've removed the evaporator tank, so now I gotta go in here. Okay, here's the replacement part. Actuator. So you got to go up in here and loosen these bolts and take this old part off. So okay, as you can see, I got the wrench in there, so it's tight, but it can be done. And I believe you only have to loosen them, not back them all the way out. So let's see. Okay, here it is off. I ended up not having to take the two little screws out completely, but I did have to back it off more, and I had to use this tiny little wrench to turn the little torque striker. Okay, now we got to take this off and put it on the other one, and it pretty much just slips out. Okay, I managed to put it back in there. It's not tightened yet, but I want to test it out first before I tighten it and cover everything up. Okay, here we go. Alright, looks good. Tighten it up. Okay, one thing you got to make sure of is before you tighten everything up, make sure that you wire, or that you put this safety pull handle back into this little hole here, so that in case there's a problem or this perfectly engineered German part fails again, then you'll have that little pull so that you can open it manually. Alright, so it looks like now we're ready to tighten this back up and then reassemble everything. Okay, I was having a bit of trouble keeping the number 20 Torx bit in there with the wrench at the same time, so what I did is I put a little bit of electrical tape on it just to hold it in place. Yeah, it's not pretty, but actually it worked pretty good. Alright. Okay, put all the hoses back. And now we're tightening up this 10mm right here. Looks good. Now we're just going to put back the liner, the wheel well liner. Okay, all done. And here's the end result. So we're good to go. Awesome. Hope this helps.